Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good. And this video is going to be a vlog where recently I have visited a restaurant which is an airplane based dining restaurant. So keep watching the full video where I'm going to take you into the full complex of this place which is called as the Adventure Island. Guys, in case you are visiting Delhi and or you are in Delhi and want to visit this place, then definitely you can take a metro and reach over here. That is the best option. Other than that, you can take a cab as well. And about metro, I should tell you that if you want to come over here, you have to get into the red line and you need to reach Rithala, which is the last station of red line. So you need to get in here, and the distance between Adventure Island and Rithala is quite minimum. So it is very near to Rithala, and you can see the shopping complex over here. This is basically a food court and a shopping complex, so you can find all the outlets like Burger King and McD and other good restaurants over here. And if you want to come to bar, then you are at the right place. It is very beautiful and like enjoyable in the night, and there's great lightings and all. And other than that, this place, which the name like Adventure Island, this is actually famous for the rides over here. But due to corona, actually the rides are closed, and closed in a sense for like time being. So I don't know when they are going to open. And the last but not the least is the this airplane dine out option where people come and have lunch and dinner, and it is open till 11 o'clock. As I told you that due to corona the rides are time being closed, and if you are visiting over here, so you can only see the shopping complex, the food outlets, the bars, and you can do while shopping. And other than that, the main attraction is the airplane dine out where you can come. So I'm heading towards the restaurant right now, and later on I will take you inside the restaurant where you can see how they have arranged the full airplane into a restaurant, and it is really beautiful. There are different flags over here, like the one you are seeing right now, the balloon, and the other one is the wings one, where you can take pictures of yours and your family. So this is the area where the small Eiffel Tower you can see, and but this area was closed actually. I don't know why they have not opened, and I couldn't go inside. So after this, I'm going inside the area, and come with me and see the place. You'll find it beautiful because this is very unique. I have never seen any restaurant like this. I felt it very nice, and it's good.
Still make mistakes, it isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll be
So this is the entry gate. Let's come inside and see the beautiful restaurant. So this is the gate, and you can see how they have arranged the tables and chairs. It is really unique. I felt it very nice. And there are two wings, the gates of the wings you can see. And if you want to dine out on the wings, you want to have a table over there, then it is actually chargeable, and you need to pre-book it on advance with a cost of 4,999. And you can do it online, and if you want at that moment, then you can speak with the manager over there. It was nice in case you want to, you have an event like anniversary or birthday or any other event, then definitely you can do.
the things that you're feeling.
So this is the menu. You can pause and check out the items they have and the pricing as well. So what I thought is like it is little bit overpriced according to the quality they have, and I have ordered only a soup, Hyderabadi chicken and butter rotis. So the taste was good, but it can be more better actually. As I have been in Bangalore for 6 years, so I have a very good, I know how the South Indian recipes are, basically about the chicken and all. So it was definitely not exactly the Hyderabadi chicken, but the taste was good. It was like okay. And to enter here, you have to take a ticket of 200 rupees per person, where the price of the ticket will be reimbursed on your food. So for example, if I have taken the ticket of 200, and I all this food, they will the total amount they will minus the 200 rupees, and the rest of the amount you have to pay it. So this is the cockpit area. I don't know, I really didn't ask them, but I thought that this is actually an old international airplane, which they have made the setup like this, because the Airbus right now we have doesn't look like this. Actually, they are more narrow, and it has a lot of space inside. So today now the Airbus doesn't have that much place, so I guess this is an old eminent aircraft where they have turned it into this restaurant. But it's really good, something unique. If you are in Delhi, or if you are coming to Delhi to visit, then definitely you should come here, and at least you can have a shake or burger or any drink, and at least you can have the look inside. It is really beautiful. So this is actually the entry point where these kind of boards are fixed over here, and you can also see the timings and other maps and all. They have like set up the area just like the at the airport we used to have, and it was nice experience. I mean, I would have been more happy if the rides were open, but uh, nothing to do. So this is the price which is written. You can just go back and see it is written 4,999. So that is for the the events which they do on the wings of the plane. So that's all, and I'm going back through the same route. These are all the tents and all. There was a shooting going on when I reached here. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel definitely to see more interesting videos. Till then, see you very soon in the next painting session. Bye bye.